Okay, so now in continuation, the second one decomposition reaction is electrolytic decomposition reaction. First one we discuss thermal decomposition, understood, in presence of heat. Now electrolytic, in terms of name, clearly mentioned electrolytic means in presence of electric current. So it is defined as only one of the reactant break down into two or more products in presence of electricity. Is it clear? Or in presence of electricity, मतलब electric current is called as the electrolytic decomposition reactions. It also named as electrolysis. So simply we say that electro means electric current or electricity and lysis means breaking. So now this breakdown of molecule in presence of electricity. So here example is decomposition of water molecules in presence of electric current. So you will get the hydrogen gas as well as the oxygen gas. Any doubt is there? Okay. Now initially for this experiment we have to perform at home also. It is a very simple experiment. So initially you take one plastic mug or plastic beaker, and at the bottom, suppose this is a plastic mug, understood? Now this plastic mug, through a drilling machine, you make these two holes at the bottom of this mug. Okay. Now in this hole you fix the rubber cork. It's having a single borer. So these two holes fixed with rubber cork, and now this rubber cork fixed with a carbon rod. These are play a role of electrode. Okay. Now this positive terminal of battery connect to this electrode is called as positive electrode, name as a anode, and negative terminal of battery connect to this electrode is called as a cathodes. Okay. Positive electrode anode. Positive electrode is anode. Any doubt? And negative electrode is cathode. Any difficulty? So, and after connecting this electrode to the battery, fill up this water, half of the capacity of beaker. Suppose this beaker is 1 liter, so you take the 500 ml water. Half of the capacity of the beaker, you take a normal water, then it add a small amount of dilute sulfuric acid. Small amounts. For what purpose? Because this H2SO4 it play a role of catalyst. जो this in the previous period we discussed, catalyst, it enhance the speed of reaction. Means such reactions are increasing the speed with the help of their H2SO4. So now you take half of the capacity of water, it add the few drops of dilute H2SO4 dilute. Okay. Then now switch on this current. So when you switch on this current, so the water molecules are ionized. So when it will be ionized, you know very well hydrogen carries positive charge. Okay. So definitely oxygen carries negative charge. So these water molecules are ionized to get the H plus and O2 minus. Now you know very well in the 1H2O you are getting 2H plus and 1 oxygen 2 minus. Okay. But for this reaction, for the balancing, here we take 2H2 molecules. So when we take 2H2O, you will get 4H plus and 2 oxygen 2 minus. Is it clear? So H plus it name as here cation, and O minus it name, O2 minus it name as here anions. Any difficulty will be there? Okay. So here it will be H plus as well as oxygen 2 minus. These ions are formed after passing electric currents through a battery. Is it clear, madam? Okay. Now after that, this anode it carry positive charge and cathode it carry negative charge. Therefore, these positive ions attracted towards negative electrodes. Listen carefully. positive ions attracted towards negative electrode due to the oppositely charged force of attraction. Okay, so all these H plus ions, all H plus ions are deposited on cathode. All H plus ion deposited on cathode, and O2 deposited on, because oxygen is negative, so they will be deposited on positive electrodes. Is it clear, Adams? Due to oppositely charged force of attractions. Any difficulty? So oxygen minus attracted towards cathode, oxygen minus 2 minus attracted towards anode, and hydrogen attracted towards cathode. Okay, so therefore at anode is a positive electrode, oxidation takes place. Oxidation का मतलब होता है loss of electron. Okay, so which ion will be attracted there? Oxygen 2 minus. अभी oxygen 2 minus कहाँ से आया? When water molecule is break down. So oxygen 2 minus it lose electron. Loss of electron मतलब lose of electron. So one oxygen having 2 electron there. So one oxygen it lose 2 electron. How many oxygen we have? 2. So another oxygen also losing 2 electrons. So overall is 2 oxygen 2 minus. You will get oxygen plus oxygen क्या हो जाएगा? O2 plus 4 electrons. Any difficulty will be there? So at anode, which gas is there? It is a oxygen gas. Any difficulty? Why the oxygen gas collecting on anodes? These are the two inverted test tubes. यहाँ पे जो हमने रखा है ये two inverted test tube. Inverted मतलब उल्टा. जो open mouth है वो bottom जाएगा और close जो है ऊपर आएगा, close है. Okay. So this high oxygen gas is collected on in this test tube. Those are placed on anodes. Okay. Same thing about the cathode. So at cathode, negative electrode is there. Cathode means negative. So reduction takes place. Reduction is completely opposite to that of oxidation, that is gain of electron. So which ion is deposited? Hydrogen ion, because hydrogen is positive and cathode is negative. So due to oppositely charged force of attraction, hydrogen ion attracted towards cathode. So H plus ion it gain 1 electrons. अभी इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ से आए? Already here 4 electrons are losing. तो 4 electrons we have remain. So one hydrogen it gain 1 electron to get H, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन की कमी है. H plus का मतलब here it electron are less. Okay. So when it gain 1 electron, positive charge is completely gone. So one hydrogen it gain 1 electron to form H. There are how many hydrogen? 4. So 4 hydrogen it will gain 4 electron to get 4H. 4H means twice H2. Any difficulty? So the hydrogen gas will be deposited or collected in a test tube placed over cathode. Now simply we say that amount of, the simple observation is amount of hydrogen gas is double than of amount of oxygen gas. The reason is in one water molecule there are 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, hence the volume of hydrogen gas is double to that of volume of oxygen gas. Any difficulty? Now we say that how we have to check the gas will be the hydrogen and oxygen. That is a very simple phenomenon. So if we collect this gas, yeah, at the mouth of these test tubes, okay, if we place the burning candle, अगर हम इसको हटा देते यहाँ से, and at the mouth of this test tube, if we take the burning candle, so you will get the pop sounds. So always remember, hydrogen gas is burned to produce a pop sounds. Okay, and how to check oxygen gas? If we take the burning candle at the mouth of this test tube, so this candle is continuous burn, because you know very well oxygen is very useful gas for the combustion of substance. So for the combustion, oxygen is very essential. So if we take this burning candle at the mouth of this test tube, so the burning candle is continuous combustion. Understood? So this is the electrolytic decomposition reactions. Another one example is there, same thing. So here sodium chloride is break down to get Na plus and Cl2. Okay, so Na is deposited at cathode and Cl2 deposited at anode, and here sodium chloride in presence of electric current. Okay, so this is a very simple substance. So now this condition is, this reaction is only applicable for the mostly ionic substances, ताकि those substances after passing electric current it easily form ions. Okay, those substances are easily form the ions, then the electrolytic decomposition takes place. Otherwise, if the substance does not form ion, then electrolytic decomposition reactions is completely failure there. Any doubt is there? Okay, so please note down this. Now the third is photolytic decomposition reactions. In the photolytic decomposition reaction is also named as photolysis. Photo यानी sunlight and lysis यानी breakdown. So again it will be same thing. It is defined as the only one reactant breakdown into two or more than two products in presence of sunlight. In presence of sunlight is called as photolytic decomposition reaction. It is a very simple concept. It's a natural. So if we take the silver chlorides, it's a white color crystals, and it take in china dish and it placed on a sunlight. So it's a white color crystal. After some time it convert into grey in color. So what will happen there? Whatever the chlorine molecule is there or chloride is there, it will be absorbed by sunlight. Okay. So white color crystals convert into grey color. So why AgCl convert into Ag plus Cl2. Same thing for AgBr, silver bromide. Silver bromide also bromine will be absorbed by sunlight. Same thing, silver iodide. Iodine is absorbed by sunlight. So one molecule break down into two products. AgCl converted to Ag plus Cl2. It is a simple photolytic decomposition reactions, and you always remember all decomposition reactions are endothermic in nature. Endothermic in nature. So why it is endothermic in nature? Because in each decomposition reactions it absorb energy. It absorb energy, not you all. It absorb energy in terms of heat, in terms of light, sunlight, or in terms of electricity. But in thermal decomposition, it always absorb heat, and therefore it is endothermic in a nature. So each and every decomposition reactions are endothermic in nature because, direct we have to write there, because it absorb energy in the form of heat, electricity and sunlight. Heat, electricity or sunlight. Hence it is the, when it absorb, जैसे भी absorb term आ जाएगा, so it will be endo. जैसे भी evolve term होगा तो exo. Is it clear? So all decomposition reactions are endothermic in nature because they absorb energy. Because they absorb energy in the form of heat, electricity or sunlight. Hence, they are endothermic. Any difficulty? So here the decomposition reactions are over, and decomposition is completely opposite to that of combination reaction. Just previously we discussed there कि class 10A split up into 10A, sorry, class 10 break down into 10A and 10th B, that is the decomposition, and 10th and 10th B merge into only one class, that is only 10, that is a combination. Is it clear? So combination and decomposition is vice versa. Vice versa मतलब completely opposite. Any doubt is there? So note down these reactions, and here decomposition reactions are over. Okay. Thank you.